Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share two interesting recipes. First one is Japanese special chicken gyoza, which is also known as Japanese potstickers, and the second one is chicken momos. The only difference is that gyoza has a crispy base and I love this version. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil, and salt as needed. Mix the dough slightly like this. Now add in water and knead the dough. We have to knead the dough into soft consistency. This should be the texture of the dough. Look at the softness of the dough, friends, so you should get this consistency. Cover the dough and leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the chicken filling. Take 400 grams of boneless chicken. Here I have taken chicken breast. I have grinded the chicken in a mixer grinder. Take 1 onion and 2 green chili in a chopper. Chop the onion and the green chili nicely. If you don't have chopper means you can grind it in mixie using pulse mode. We have got so finely chopped onion as well as green chili. Add it to the minced chicken. All the vegetables should be finely chopped using a chopper. Take small piece of cabbage and a carrot. For veg momos, you can take more quantity of carrot as well as cabbage. Chop it and add in some coriander leaf. Chop all the veggies finely. Look at the difference. This should be the texture of the veggies. Add into the minced chicken. Mix everything nicely like this. Add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. In goes salt as needed. Soy sauce has salt in it, so bear in mind while adding salt. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. In goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Add in 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix everything nicely so that it combines well. For vegetarian version, the process remains the same, but you have to add more vegetables. Chicken filling is ready now. Now I'm going to prepare the dumpling sheets. The dough has softened perfectly and this should be the right texture. Knead it for a couple of minutes. If you find it sticky means you can add 1 or 2 teaspoons of maida. I'm going to divide the dumpling dough into small pieces. Shape it into rectangle shape like this. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts. Roll the dough into cylindrical shape and divide it into 9 to 10 pieces. Now shape the dough into small balls. Totally there are 18 dough balls. Roll the dough very thinly using a rolling pin. If you find it sticky means you can dust it with maida. So we have to roll it thinly as much as possible. Using this bowl, I am shaping into round shape. Repeat the same process and prepare the wrappers. All these leftover doughs can be kneaded again and make dumpling sheet. Look at it, friends, the dumpling sheets are ready now. I have dusted each sheet with maida so that it doesn't stick to each other. Totally I have got 23 dumpling sheet. Actually it's very easy to shape gyozas and momos. Take the dumpling sheet and apply water all along the sides of the sheet. Add in 1 teaspoon of chicken filling. Fold it into semicircle shape like this. Stick the center portion and take pleats along the sides of the sheet. Repeat the same on the other side. It looks really cute. Now closely watch how I am shaping these momos. Actually, gyozas and momos are almost same. The only difference is that the gyozas has crispy base in it. I like Japanese gyozas very much when compared to momos. Prepare fried momos, you can just deep fry these dumplings. Momos and gyozas are shaped perfectly. I have prepared momo sauce, which is best combo for this momos, and I'll share the recipe in my next video. First, I'm going to prepare Japanese gyoza. Heat 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil in a non-stick pan. Now place the dumplings and ensure the bottom portion touches the pan. Japanese potstickers or gyozas will have a crispy base, and hence we are frying the bottom portion alone. The bottom portion should turn to light golden brown color like this. Once the bottom portion turns golden brown color, add in 1/4 cup of water. Immediately cover it with the lid and cook it in low flame. These potstickers will get cooked from the steam of water. This is the technique to make Japanese potstickers. Remove the potstickers once the water has drained completely. The cooking time will be 8 minutes. Gyozas are ready to be served now. To make momos, we have to steam the dumplings. Steam the momos in steamer for 8 minutes. Delicious soft chicken momos are ready now. These gyozas are looking so beautiful. This has got crispy golden brown color base. Here comes soft juicy momos. These dumplings should be served hot so that we'll get the dry taste. Try these momos, gyozas and share me the feedback. Do not forget to share me the picture through Facebook or Instagram. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.